Hey there, ocean explorers! Welcome back to Quiz Dino! Think you know your sea creatures inside and out? Let's find out in How Well Do You Know Sea Animals? We've lined up 60 splishy splashy questions, and you've only got 10 seconds to answer each one. Are you ready to dive in? A big shout out to everyone who dropped awesome comments on our last video. You guys are the best! Want to see your name featured next time? Leave a comment and join the Dino Squad. And now, hit that subscribe button. In 3, 2, 1, let's make some waves! Let's start easy. Who is more dangerous? A shark or a jellyfish? Impressive start! Jellyfish! A box jellyfish's venom can kill in minutes. Which fish is known as the fastest in the ocean? A speedy win! It's C, the sailfish. What is special about the starfish? Bravo! They can regrow their arms. Can you guess the animal by these emojis? Nice job! It's a seahorse. What is super weird about seahorses? Correct! Male seahorses carry the babies. That's so cool! Seahorses are bad swimmers. True or false? It is true! They're adorably clumsy with those tiny fins. Listen closely and tell Dino, which sea animal do you think this is? You nailed it! A dolphin! How do dolphins sleep? Yep, option B. They sleep with half of their brain still awake. Whose bite is the strongest? A shark or an orca? The orca! Its bite is way stronger than any shark's. Sharks have bones. True or false? This is false. They're made of cartilage, just like our nose. How do sharks breathe underwater? That's A, through gills. What is the largest animal in the ocean? The blue whale. It's the biggest animal on Earth. Can you find the odd blue whale on this board? Zoom in. There it is. Take a moment to think it over before you answer. The answer is B. It's roughly 12,000 feet. Which sea creature can shoot ink to escape? That's right, octopus, the master of the inky getaway. Who can live longer? The sea turtle. They can live to be more than a century old. Get ready for a memory challenge. Watch carefully and try to remember where each animal is. Now, can you show Dino where the crab was? The crab was at spot number 5. Awesome job! Crabs can walk backwards. True or false? It's false. They usually walk sideways. Can you guess who this character is? It's Sebastian. Who would you rather pick? Sebastian
Seaweed is always greener in somebody else's lake.
or Tamatoa?
Scrub the deck and make it look shiny.
Like this video if you love Sebastian's cheerful voice. But hit subscribe to the Quiz Dino channel if you prefer Tamatoa's deep, boastful voice. Who can survive in both fresh and salt water? It's A, the salmon. Which sea animal snoozes while floating? Dolphins! They sleep while floating on the water's surface. Which sea animal can blend perfectly with sand? Smart guess! A flounder, the master of camouflage. Can you spot the hidden flounder in this photo? Ooh, it tried to hide pretty well, but you still found it. Which one is actually an animal? Surprise! It's coral. It may look like a plant, but it's made out of tiny living animals called polyps. What do coral reefs need to stay alive? The answer is C. Sunlight and clean water. True or false? Coral can walk on the ocean floor. This is false. It's stuck in one place. Which fish loves to live among coral for safety? The answer is the clownfish. Nemo's home sweet home. Focus up. Can you tell Dino where Nemo is? You found him at spot number 2. Great job! Which sea creature can clone itself? Mind-blowing! The sea anemone can clone itself. What do you call the fear of deep water? Thalassophobia. Which animal is not really a fish? A starfish. It's actually an echinoderm. What do you think? Exactly! Option A is correct. Which animal can change color to blend in? The squid, master of camouflage under the sea. Squids have beaks. True or false? It is true! Hidden inside those tentacles is a sharp little beak. What do you call this shark? Yahoo! It's a hammerhead shark! Something is not quite the same. Can you spot all 3 fun differences between these pictures? Look closely. Here, here, and yep, Right there! You're awesome! Which animal has the biggest brain for its body size? The octopus! The octopus is super smart and great at solving puzzles. Octopuses have 3 hearts. True or false? It's true! 2 for the gills, 1 for the body. How many tentacles does an octopus have? 12, 8, or 6? It's B, 8. Which sea creature can puff up like a balloon? The pufferfish. It inflates itself to scare predators away. What's your answer? It's C for sure. What cool thing can a clownfish do? Good catch! Clownfishes can change their gender. Which animal is called the wolf of the sea? Exactly! It's the orca. Which one has the longer migration journey? The sea turtle. They travel thousands of miles to lay their eggs. Sea turtles cry underwater. True or false? True, but it's not because of sadness. They're just getting rid of extra salt. Can you spot which one is the real sea dragon? Of course! C is the real sea dragon. What do sea dragons eat? It's B, tiny shrimp and plankton. Sea dragons are the fastest swimmers in the ocean. True or false? It's false. They're actually super slow. Absolutely option A. Which one produces pearls? Yup, it's an oyster. Which creature can live both on land and in the sea? It's a crab. It's the ultimate beachside crawler. Some fish can walk on land. True or false? It is true! Mud skippers literally walk on their fins. Which creature is known as the sea unicorn? You nailed it! The narwhal, the real sea unicorn. What is the narwhal's tusk actually? It's a tooth. It's an extra long tooth that can grow up to 3 meters long. Who lives the deepest underwater? The anglerfish. What do anglerfish eat? The answer? B. Fish and squid. Blue whales eat big fish. True or false? This is false. The ocean's biggest creature loves tiny krill. Option B is the right one. And here comes the final question. Who sings underwater? The answer? The whale. They communicate with hauntingly beautiful songs that travel for miles. Awesome job today, everyone! Thank you for playing along! If you had fun, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more cool quizzes! We can't wait to see you in our next challenge! And now, click the next game to keep the fun going! Bye-bye for now, friends!